In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zoho Mail account using zohomail.com in 2021. Whether you're new to Zoho Mail or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you get started. Let's dive in. First, let's get our web browsers open. You can use any web browser that you feel comfortable with, like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once you have it open, type in the URL bar, zohomail.com, press enter, and your browser will take you to the Zoho Mail homepage. When you arrive on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and information about Zoho's services. Your focus here should be on finding the login option for Zoho Mail. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Click on that and you'll be directed to the Zoho Mail login page. Once you're on the login page, you'll see another button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. If you're new to this page, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly and easy to follow. On the following screen, you'll be prompted to enter your Zoho Mail credentials. This is where you input your email address and password. It's essential to ensure that your email and password are correct. Double-check them if you're having trouble logging in. A quick tip: if you can, use a password manager to avoid any typos or forgotten passwords, making the process a lot smoother. After you've entered your credentials, it's time for the last step. Click the Sign In button. With a successful login, you'll be greeted by your Zoho Mail dashboard, where you can manage your emails, organize your folders, and access various tools that Zoho offers. Remember, should you encounter any issues while logging in, such as forgotten passwords, Zoho Mail provides options for password recovery on the same page. Look for links like Forgot Password to guide you through retrieving or resetting your account information. And there you have it. You're now logged into Zoho Mail and ready to explore all the features it has to offer. Zoho Mail is known for its intuitive interface and robust features that make managing your emails easy and efficient. If this is your first time logging in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You can customize settings, organize your contacts, and even explore integration options with other Zoho services. Each of these can enhance your productivity and make email management a breeze. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to log into your Zoho Mail account. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now comfortably navigating through Zoho's email platform. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and guides on using Zoho Mail efficiently. Have a wonderful day.